What is up, everybody? NCmotoRIDER here, and I have made changes to the DL650 once again. If you follow the channel, you've seen the DL650 in many different videos, and when I first got it, it looked like a complete piece of crap. And to fix that, I ended up doing all black bed liner on all the plastics, and it looked okay. I mean, it was all right for what it was, but I had to take it apart recently because I wanted the headlight lenses redone. I had a buddy that done that for me, and they look so much better. Before, you could hardly even see inside the assembly. When I had the bike apart, I decided I wanted to change the color again. I got tired of the all black, so I went with this Camo Tan. Now, this is Camo Tan PlastiDip with PlastiDip Glossifier on it as well to kind of give it a shine. Any of the PlastiDip that I've ever used, if you do not use the Glossifier, whatever color you choose will be that color, but it'll be just a flat color, no shine to it whatsoever. While I had the bike apart, I also took the forks off and rebuilt those. I did use some of the bed liner spray to repaint the lower fork tubes because they look like complete crap as well, so those look a ton better. And whenever I took my forks apart, I actually got an awesome surprise. Now, this bike's got like 68,000 miles on it. It didn't ride all that great, so I figured it had 68,000 miles. The internals of the forks had never been touched, so I just wanted to rebuild them. Well, I took it apart and got the forks off, took the forks apart, and to my surprise, I found what I believe to be Racetech springs and gold Racetech emulators, which is awesome. That stuff was already on here, had no idea. So I rebuilt the forks, replaced the bushings and all inside, done new oil, and I just got back from a test ride. I haven't had a chance to ride it until today, and it does ride a whole lot better than it did. I will say that. But I thought that was really cool that all those internals were in the forks, and I had no idea. So I don't have to buy any of that stuff to like upgrade the insides of the forks. I also made a heel plate to put right here because I repainted this, and my heel always hits it when I stand up, so I made a small heel plate just to keep it from messing the paint up. And I'm missing a passenger peg right here. I got one on the way. Mine is just bent up and no longer usable, so I decided to do away with that and just get a different one. Now, this right here, I've had a few questions on Facebook about this seat cover. This is the Sit and Fly, and it is covering a Sergeant seat. Now, the Sergeant seat is what makes this bike comfortable. The Sit and Fly helps. It does help airflow up under my butt a lot better, so it keeps it cooler. But that would suck in the wintertime because then your butt would be colder. Now, these DL650 Vstrom Adventure graphics I got from eBay. I'll put a link in the description for those graphics if anybody's interested. All the tan color is Camo Tan PlastiDip. All the black is black PlastiDip, and it all has Glossifier on it. That piece too. Now, the rack I didn't paint because it's already black, and I didn't bother with taking all this apart because I didn't need to. I mean, that looks okay the way it is. It really turned out great. I think the bike looks way better than it did just all black, and it even looks really cool with the gold chain, which I did clean that chain and lubed it because it hadn't been cleaned since I went on the long trip with a few buddies of mine up to the Dragon and all back in September. So that needed to be done for sure. Also put these MZS Mirrors on. These, I have used these exact same mirrors on a few different motorcycles, and they've always worked fine for me. I also did the extenders to get them out more. Some people may not like them. Some people may prefer the OEM square ones, which that's what I had on here before. And it's my own fault. I was trying to do a mod on one of my mirrors and ended up messing it up. So long story short, I had to get new mirrors. So I got these MZS mirrors off Amazon. I think they were like 35 bucks, maybe 30. I'll find them and include a link in the description for those as well. This mount right here is new to me. I haven't really used it much, but got it from a buddy of mine, and I had to kind of rig a way to mount it because, I don't know, it wouldn't work the way it's supposed to, so I had to figure that out. But I'm definitely happy with the Camo Tan PlastiDip and the new decals. I think the bike just looks great the way it is right now. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Just wanted to show you guys the changes I've made to the Vstrom once again. I hope you guys like the bike. I think it looks freaking cool. It might not be for everybody, that color, but I don't know, it was something I really wanted to do just to get away from the all black for this bike. But if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.